Welcome back to another session of the weekly forecast. Alright, it's going to be quite a difficult week to navigate next week because we do have CPI on Thursday. This is going to be the forecast for the week 7th of April to 11th of April. Okay, taking a look at the economic news driver, we have FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday. Thursday we have CPI, and then Friday we have two high impact news drivers, 8:30 and 10 a.m. So looking at the weekly time frame right now, we're closing near the lows for this particular week. We are reaching into this low right here, which is the origin of this move higher. What I'm expecting next week is that we're going to form the lows first on either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, because the real news driver for next week is CPI. If we can form the lows down here inside within this fair value gaps, then I think that we can rally higher heading into Friday. Taking a look at the price levels right here, for NQ, I'm looking at this particular inversion fair value gap. It has not been tested before. Therefore, I think when it comes down into this order block and into this inversion fair value gap that made a lower low that formed the origin of the move higher, this is going to be the next support, the true support. Okay, I'm looking for the low of the week to form at 16,807. Between that and the lower price would be 16,511. That is like a 300 point difference, but this is what we get because right now we are really volatile. For NQ, for ES, same thing here. The price levels I'm looking at is between 4859.5 and 4749. These two levels are probably going to form the low of the week because I do expect us to continue dropping next week. Okay, and then eventually forming the lows before reversing higher to close out the week, TGIF style. All right, we have been falling for how long? For very long right now without any form of significant retracements. Okay, so I'm expecting we're probably gonna end this move right here pretty soon, and then we're going to retrace up for a dead cat bounce. retail what do you call it, retail terms, and then after that we're going to drop again. Okay, I don't think this low is going to hold, but temporarily it is going to hold. If it doesn't hold, then that's just too bad. Okay, I'm looking at the lower time frames for confirmation, specifically SSMT, and then after that, then I would be comfortable taking long positions. If not, I will not do anything. Okay, what else? Yeah, I think that's nothing much for now, right? I hope you enjoyed trading. Next week, this week was a really tough week to trade, but doesn't mean that you can't trade it. You still can, but you have to be a little bit more nimble, or can I say as well as more alert, because SSMTs are not going to be that obvious. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again.